Hello, in front of me I have GoPro MAX and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. Let's start by swiping down from the top of the screen to open this menu, and here let's tap on the preferences. Now let's select the general and here scroll down and we have a time right here. Let's tap on it and now we can change the hour right here on the left side. In the middle we can change minutes, and on the right we can change AM, PM, or set it to 24-hour format, whatever we like. Then tap the check mark on the right side to confirm. Now let's tap on date. Here we can change days, I believe. No, first you can change month, then days, and then year. And once you're done, tap the check mark. And at the bottom we have date format. You can tap on it and change to the year format you like by just tapping on it, like that. And that's how you change the date and time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.